PBSC is the most visionary program that I've seen in my 40 years in law, by far. It started out as an idea. In 1997, the Family Law Project started as a result of a speech that I gave at U of T because we were experiencing a crisis with unrepresented litigants. You'll learn very quickly that there's two kinds of litigants that are unrepresented, which means they don't have a lawyer. There's some that we call self-represented. These are people that probably could afford a lawyer but choose not to have one because they don't think lawyers are necessary. They watch Judge Judy and they think that, nobody has a lawyer on Judge Judy and it's my story, it's my life. Why do I need to pay somebody to tell my story? And of course, they end up making messes of their lawsuits and their court cases and their lives. And then there's a much larger group of people who are unrepresented because they can't afford a lawyer. They want one, but they can't afford it. And unfortunately, the legal aid system that we have, and this is true throughout Canada, enables the very, very, very poor to have lawyers. And the very, very rich can afford lawyers, but everybody in the middle, that large crowd in the middle, really cannot, especially in family law. And that's why there's such a crisis. And so the Family Law Project, how many of you are going to be involved in that? Okay, you all get A's. Take notes. Take notes. You all deserve, I've seen firsthand as a family court judge. I'm now in criminal court, but I spent 19 years in family court. So most of those years, we had students at our court, and I watched how people who were voiceless and aimless and helpless come into court knowing that they were armed with materials that told their story so that I could be enabled to grant the relief that they were seeking in court.